Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy messages in Facebook Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, give your login details and log into your Facebook Messenger. Now on your screen, you can see the old text, the menu, and create a new chat option. Select the chat from where you want to copy the message. Then all you have to do is long press on the message you want to copy. Now you can see there are options like edit, reply, copy, and more. All you have to do is select copy, and guys, that's it. That's how you copy messages in Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.